She saw the intestine.
Uh-huh.
It has cut in 3 places, but it didn't go right into the.
Oh, okay.
Just outside injuries.
Ah.
Yeah. So, but lucky for him, after the operation last night.
Oh, the chances is good.
There are chances he will be alright.
Oh, good lah. That's good. Very weak, no? Weak. Then what is this?
This is break because Sarah said she
cannot eat. Oh,
yeah.
So this is
He
just to
can
make
eat,
him.
but she don't want him to eat.
Yeah.
Because I think that will put too much pressure on the intestine.
Oh, I see.
So it's like feeding him through the vein.
Oh, okay. Pity as well.
On the intestine. So you can see the swelling has
been reduced.
This area is where the it's still quite inflamed.
It's still inflamed a bit now.
So it's still on painkillers and antibiotics, strong antibiotics.
Strong antibiotics. So do you think like
no food and water for 3 days?
Oh, okay.
Okay, because we want to give the intestines a chance to heal.
Oh, okay.
We don't want them to, because once you have food and water, the intestines will start to move. You don't want it to move.
Oh, okay.
So everything is by drip. See how it goes.
Yeah.
I won't give you any prognosis yet.
Oh.
I will still say 50-50.